Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Shopify Flow with AI-generated inventory alerts automation step by step clearly. To set up Shopify Flow with AI-generated inventory alerts automation, begin by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Next, navigate to the Apps section. Locate the Shopify Flow app and click to open it. Once inside the app, select Create Workflow to start a new automation. In the Workflow editor, you'll see a Trigger section. Choose Inventory Quantity Changed as your trigger event. This will start the workflow whenever your inventory levels change. Now, proceed to add a condition for the workflow. Select the if condition and set parameters for inventory levels, such as threshold limits. For instance, you could set the condition to trigger when stock falls below a certain number. After setting the condition, proceed to the Action section of the workflow. Here, select the Send Email action to notify relevant team members. Input the email addresses of those who should receive alerts. Include a subject line that clearly states the nature of the alert. In the email body, provide details about the specific product and its inventory status. Consider integrating AI tools for predictive analytics in this section. This will allow you to send alerts based on forecasted inventory needs. You can add another action to conduct a task, such as creating a reorder request based on the inventory level. Once you've configured all actions, review the workflow to ensure everything is correct. If satisfied with the setup, give your workflow a name for easy reference. Finally, click Save to activate your inventory alerts automation. Your Shopify Flow is now set up and ready to send AI-generated inventory alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.